Adult learning is most effective when instruction begins with purpose, respect for prior experience, and clear alignment between outcomes, assessment, and learning activities. In Week 11, we focus on designing instruction for adult learners through backward design, problem-centered and project-based learning, universal design for learning, and adult instructional design. Backward design begins with the end in mind. Rather than starting with content delivery, the instructor first identifies the desired learning outcomes, then determines acceptable evidence of mastery, and only then plans learning experiences. For adult learners, this approach is especially powerful because it emphasizes relevance and transfer. Adults are motivated when they can see how learning applies to their professional, civic, or personal goals. Clear outcomes also help learners monitor their own progress and connect new knowledge to prior experience. Problem-centered and project-based learning are highly effective for adults because they mirror authentic challenges found in workplace and community settings. In problem-centered learning, learners analyze realistic cases, evaluate evidence, and propose solutions. In project-based learning, they engage in extended inquiry, collaboration, and production of a tangible result. Both approaches promote autonomy, critical thinking, and practical application. They also position adults not as passive recipients of information, but as active constructors of knowledge. UDL strengthens adult instruction by anticipating learner variability from the outset. Adults differ in language background, digital fluency, prior academic preparation, and access to resources. UDL addresses these differences through multiple means of engagement, representation, and action and expression. In practice, this means offering flexible formats, accessible materials, varied participation options, and multiple ways to demonstrate understanding. When instruction is designed for variability, more learners can succeed without requiring later remediation. Adult instructional design integrates these principles into a coherent framework. Effective design is learner-centered, goal-oriented, and responsive to context. It begins with a careful analysis of learner needs, available time, cultural and institutional constraints, and the knowledge adults already possess. Instruction should be concise, relevant, and immediately applicable. Feedback must be timely and formative, supporting reflection and self-direction. Assessment should measure authentic performance, not memorization alone. Designing instruction for adult learners requires alignment, authenticity, accessibility, and respect for learner agency. Backward design ensures clarity of purpose. Problem-centered and project-based learning create meaningful applications. UDL expands access and inclusion. These strategies form a rigorous and equitable approach to adult education that advances deep learning and professional growth.